Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will discuss key prepositions with you. You know what is a preposition? Let me explain. A preposition is a word or group of words that shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word in a sentence. It typically indicates location, direction, time, manner, or cause. Prepositions often come before noun or pronoun and form phrases that function as adjective or adverbs in a sentence. For example, she is sitting in the chair. Okay, so I have written the preposition at, in, on, by, and for. How and where we can use these prepositions. Let's start. At university, at 8 o'clock, at night, at noon, at midnight, at school, at home, look at, good at. I'm good at cooking. Okay, so we will use at with these. In we will use with in 1999, 98, 2020, in April, in March, in June, in spring, in winter. With seasons we use in. With names of months we use in. With years we use in the morning, in the evening, in the 1970s or 1990s, in a minute, in a second, in hospital, in prison, in the picture, in doubt, interested in. On we use with on holiday, on time, on Christmas Day, on New Year Day, on May 12th, on the weekend, on Monday, on the TV, on the radio. By we use with by car. She came by car. By train, by plane, by air, by tomorrow, by land, by sea, by ship, by the next week. Go by, abide by, okay? And for we use with for a walk, for a change, for an hour, for 2 days, for 3 weeks, for 4 weeks, for 2 months. Look for. I'm waiting for you. Wait for. Reason for, okay? We use for the reason, okay? So these were the basic prepositions. I hope you will like this lecture and thank you so much for watching.